Welcome to Diva Secret International. Diva Secret International is a global health and wellness company that stands at the forefront of product innovation, committed in helping people take control of their health and financial being. Our mission is assisting our business partners to transform their entire life and those of their teams, families, communities, and their generations for the better through our international platform. Our vision is creating a long-term venture between Diva Secret International and its business partners, bringing quality products to enrich health and simultaneously providing a world-class platform to build their wealth. Our core values, excellence and commitment. We are committed in providing excellent service and strive in excellence in everything that we do. Respect and loyalty. We treat everyone with respect and foster a culture of loyalty among our employees, customers, and partners. Integrity and honesty. We conduct ourselves with integrity and honesty. We hold ourselves accountable to the highest ethical standards. Professionalism and exceptional services. We maintain a high level of professionalism and provide exceptional services to our business associates. And now, we introduce the founder of Diva Secret International, Attorney John Prospero Brito. He began his career as a legal advisor at Statsum Berhad. His expertise were then in labor court matters, where he began to love the interaction with people from all walks of life. This earns him the moniker, the People's Man. Because of his strong desire and love for people, he then ventured into business, which gives him more opportunity to be with them. This prompted him to venture in conventional business, primarily in Asian countries, especially Singapore, Philippines, and Indonesia. His businesses were call centers, travel agency, and retail jewelry. Through his business counterparts, he was then introduced into a magnificent sector in which he could help millions of individuals to develop themselves and transform their lives for the better, earning passive income through online platform, which is now popularly known as the network marketing industry. For more than 15 years, he acquired knowledge and expertise, particularly in understanding people's expectation and needs from all over the world, and laid the foundation for Diva Secret International. To his credit, he has built a strong network globally, especially in African countries. His foundation in these countries are far beyond a mere business relationship, but stretches beyond bonding that goes along with him. His passion for people drove him to spend the majority of his time coaching, advising, and listening to members from around the world. John Prospero Brito truly deserves to be acknowledged as a man who has the passion to meet people and bring out the best in them. Mr. Harbinder Singh is the Chief Executive Officer of Diva Secret International and a self-made millionaire who runs many businesses in Malaysia. Most of his businesses are with the leading banks. His businesses are mainly call centers, travel agencies, nationwide delivery, and network marketing. He had many years in the network marketing industry since 1996. He has vast knowledge and experience in successfully running businesses for more than 40 years. This is a great advantage for Diva Secret International, for it is in the hands of the right man. Miss Wilma Neva is the Executive Director of Diva Secret International. She studied Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Banking and Finance. She gained extensive knowledge and experience in operations, especially in sales and marketing and business management skills, particularly in the areas of product planning and control, which serves as a great contribution to the overall operations of Diva Secret International. She also has noteworthy skills in information technology. Mr. Fasha Mastugi is the formulator and system director of Diva Secret International and is the founder of several companies in Malaysia, had 30 years experience in the networking industry. He is also a consultant of several direct sales companies in Malaysia and is skilled in product formulation and information technology. Diva Secret International corporate office is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Diva's Secret International had expanded to 30 countries in just 8 months of operation. And currently, we are already in more than 45 countries worldwide and still counting. Diva's Secret International has a secret for you to be a world-class leader to create a #1 international platform from local to global. We care to make available genuine products at a reasonable price. Efficient and fast delivery products through our worldwide integrated system. To create an online mall in the near future where members can get quality products ranging from household to wellness. Incorporating members into the company through the offer of shares. We at Diva's Secret International, we are one family. We are the next trillion-dollar industry with the fastest global trends like online social networking where anyone can meet anyone. Social media is the highest population in the world with more 25 million people around the world who selected home-based business as their financial solution. Here are the 4 principles of Diva Secret International. Huge expanding market. Identify and target rapidly growing markets to tap into new customer segments and generate higher revenues. Unique and consumable products. Offer distinct and appealing products that provide ongoing value, fostering customer loyalty. Trends and timing is now. Stay ahead of trends to cater to evolving customer demands and recognize the importance of timing for market entry and product launches. Leverage. Utilize resources, partnerships, and opportunities for growth by strategically leveraging assets and collaborations for a competitive advantage. And there's more. These is what we have for you. Join our innovative global business platform for a unique health and wellness products, a franchise-based system, and a lucrative wealth compensation plan. Be a part of our collaborative global team with free training and mentoring opportunities. Discover the power of our unique business concept and unlock your success today. Diva's Secret International had been awarded the following: the 2023 Americans Health and Wellness Excellence Company Award, the 2023 Consumers' Choice Award, the #1 2023 ASEAN Business Winner Award, the Asia's Achievement in International Expansion Award of the Year 2022 to 2023, and the 2024 People's Choice Excellence Award for the Best Health and Wellness Company and Outstanding Stem Cell Supplement Brand.